Hello friends, in our programming for patterns, we are going to program the third pattern. So the vehicle has to move in the fashion to draw this symbol. So here we need to first decide what is our start point. So let me decide this is my start point and I'm looking towards right. Then what's happening? So if you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are total 12 lines I need to draw. This one has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is probably repeating 4 times. So if there are 12 lines and repeating 4 times, that means we have to draw 3 lines at a time. So if I start here, let's see. Forward, left turn. Forward, right turn. Forward, right turn. So what I did, forward, left turn, forward, right turn, forward, right turn. Let's see. Now I'm looking down. Forward, I have to take a left turn. Forward, right turn. Forward, right turn. Perfect. Now I'm looking here. Forward, left turn. Forward, right turn. Forward, right turn. Then again, forward, left turn. Forward, right turn. Forward, right turn, so that I look in the same direction. That's correct. What I'm going to repeat is forward, left turn, forward, right turn, forward, right turn. This is if I start here. If I start here, it will be different. Forward, right turn, and then forward, left turn. And it will still work. So it will draw these 3 lines every time. It will still work. So you can decide any point as your start point, any of the vertices as your start point, and then find the pattern. We are going to do from here. Forward, left turn, forward, right turn, forward, right turn. Let's do that. Okay, so first command is curious mind and set up vehicle. Then we say forward, left turn, 0.3 seconds. Then it was forward, right turn. So I'll use this. I'll just change this. Forward, right turn. And again it was forward, right turn. So forward, right turn here. Forward, left turn, forward, right turn, forward, right turn. And then finally, we want vehicle stop. But this needs to be repeated 3 times. So we'll use repeat 3 times. And then stop the vehicle. Let's check it before we conclude our program. So we have done forward, left turn, forward, right turn, forward, right turn. From here, forward, left turn, that's correct. Forward, right turn, correct. Forward, right turn. Then again from here, forward, left turn, forward, right turn, forward, right turn. Forward, left turn, forward, right turn, forward, right turn. Forward, left turn, forward, right turn, forward, right turn. That's correct. So we have finished our program. You can upload the program and check if it draws the required pattern.